Hey there, that broker girl. I am coming at you with a little mini ClickUp training session. When I was doing something with my assistant yesterday, I was thinking, oh my gosh, I have to show you guys this. So this is just a mini video. This is an example, by the way, of our pre-listing checklist for our transaction coordination. And I wanted to show you, so by the way, we are new to ClickUp as well. We have just migrated all of our stuff over here, okay? So I'm gonna show you like how I am updating my shit as well, okay? So if you like this video, you like what you see, feel free to subscribe to my channel. If you have any questions, please type them below. I'll do my best to answer them. And if you want to download ClickUp for free, I have a link to that below. Okay, so in Asana and in Trello, I used to have to put links in here like this. The cool thing is now I can actually post the actual link. So when I had pull county assessor's info, and it would take me to a Loom video, what I can actually do now is I don't have to go through the trouble of like putting those words and then linking them. I can actually just post the video. So it posts a little video, I just post the link, and it's really cool. But here's where it gets even cooler. If I go here, and then if you pay the $15 a month or whatever for Loom, and you go over to the transcript side of Loom, this is what I do. I have recorded tons of videos over the years, quickly how to do something, because either I don't want to forget it or I don't want my assistant to forget how to do it. So I'm going to copy this transcript. I'm going to go back into ClickUp. I'm gonna press return. And then what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna write with AI, okay? And I'm gonna say, and you can kind of see how we started doing this below because it has recent prompts in here. I'm gonna say, make this into how to format. Boom, paste the transcript, and then it's gonna do this. So I'm going to let it do its thing because it makes me dizzy when it starts to do all that. I'm going to let it finish. Okay. So it took my transcript and it put it into how to format. Now, obviously, it's not perfect because I spoke a website out. We're obviously going to want to fill that website in. This is a spoken address. We're going to want to like fill that in, just some stuff like that. It's AI. It's not perfect, but holy shit, we don't have to do any of that ourselves. I mean, how great is that? Insert these steps, step by step now. Boom. So, and then now it's like, use this resource. That is the website there. I can put that into there. And I now have a full, like once I clean that up slightly, I have a full to-do list, step by step how to do this, plus a link to the video on how to do this. And I mean, there's no questioning ever again how to do it. Somebody can read the directions, somebody can watch the video. And we are going on to our next step in our pre-listing checklist over and over and over. ClickUp is just amazing for, I mean, my SOP, my standard operating procedure is just incredible. That's all, guys. Take care.